How to connect Pinterest with other apps. You can connect Pinterest with other apps by using the built-in settings on Pinterest like social media account for login, or by using a third-party automation tools. So basically, what happens is that in many cases, you might have noticed that in the very first step, when you have to log in or when you have to create an account, you will find the option as continue with Google, continue with email, or continue with Facebook, or continue with Instagram, something like this, right? Now, in many cases, the Pinterest isn't available. Like you cannot, or you might not be able, or you might have not seen connect or continue with Pinterest. In some cases, you can actually use the built-in feature that is the connect with Pinterest or log in with Pinterest account itself, and that might be able to help you out to connect Pinterest with other apps. So basically, what next you could also do is you could just open up the Pinterest app on your device, tap the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen, tap the three dot icon, go to settings from the list, and then you could tap on claimed external account or security from the list. So basically this is the one. You could click on connect or connected devices. As you could see, there is none. So you could just go ahead and tap on claim next to social media platform and follow the on-screen prompt and log in and grant access as well. Now this feature might only be available in certain parts, so you have to understand that as well. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.